Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. Today's training's on how to add your YouTube video to your website, your blog, or whatever you're using online where you want your video to be placed. Okay? Very simple. So I am going to go to one of these videos. I just click on one of these here, and I'm going to stop it real quick. And right here it says share. Okay, embed. Okay, always go to show more, but you don't want all these checked. I only check the show player controls, and you pick the size of video you want to put on your website. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, once you get that all chosen, then there's a code up here. You're going to copy and paste this code. Okay, just like that. And then I can go to, I'm just going to do an example here. I'm going to go to one of my, let's see, I'm going to go to this page on the Prosperity Marketing System. And I'm going to put that code in. Actually, what I'll do, I'm going to create a new test page. Okay, now I want to put the code in. So it's going to depend on your website, but you have to do it under the HTML section. Okay, so here will be the code right here. Hit OK, and then I'm going to save it. Always save. Now this is just an example. You do this on your website, it's going to be a little different, but there it is. I just went to that page, and there it is. So that's all you have to do, is to grab this code and put it in your website on the HTML side of the website. Hit save, and there it'll be. So it's very simple to do. Just make sure you kind of you want suggested videos. You want this as clean as it can be, and let the user have the player controls. That way when they play it, they have the player controls right here. They can pause it, okay, or they can go make it bigger, make the video bigger, and so on and so on. So I hope that's helped, and wish you success. Bye.